Can you laugh?
I was nervous at first.
Oh yeah?
We went up and down a lot of trails and a lot of
Are you
places.
ticklish?
And I was thinking, okay, like,
Are
are we
you
only going to see
ticklish?
like 2 horses? Or like, how many are we going to see? I mean, I was
Can you
getting
tell me a
nervous at
story?
first because we tried a couple different places.
Can you tell me a story?
It's right up here. Keep looking and tell me what you see.
The next trail we went down was one of the first horses.
Hi. Hi.
It looked like they were in some yard.
Say hello. Hi.
And it was like a mommy, a baby, and a daddy, and then like 2 other ones. And my dream was to see a baby.
Yeah, there were a lot of
Tickle,
babies.
tickle. Tickle, tickle. Hi, pumpkin. Can you smile?
Oh, they were so beautiful.
Can you laugh?
And we got a family picture with them in the background.
Can you laugh? Hi. Hi. I got your cheeks.
400 years ago, the Spanish ship came over and they had offloaded like 50 horses or whatever, 30, 50, whatever it was. And they swam to shore and they've been living, which is quite amazing if you think about it. They were tame horses that learned to survive wildly and